Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Google officially announced its arcade program, and with the help of this program, if you complete this program, there will be free swags and certificate from the Google. You see, lot of students are posting about swags and certificates on LinkedIn, Instagram, but we don't know how to apply for this. So if you are working professional, student, freshers, graduate, this is your chance to apply for the opportunity. First of all, like and share the video, subscribe to our channel. We are sharing lot of jobs opportunities video on our channel regularly, so you guys can apply for all opportunity on timely basis. It's the program The Arcade by Google Cloud. One thing, multiple arcade competitions are ongoing or skill sets are ongoing. Arcade Base Camp May 2026, Adventure Trail Voyage May 2026 is here. Okay, so first of all, how to register for this? So one thing that I have to mention, it's related to Google Skills Arcade Skill Up Summer Work Meets Play Expressive Efficiency. First of all, we have to understand the point system, how it will work. Suppose if you choose this skill set like Arcade Base Camp, so you can see Arcade Adventure 1 game badge is equals to 1 point. Voyage will give you 1 game badge is equals to 1 point. Skill badge of 2 badges is equals to 1 point. Arcade Trail is equals to 1 game badge is equals to 1 point. What does it means by point? Point is very important to redeem or access the particular swags. You can one thing, users will get a special badge for each game they complete in this event, and for each badge earned, user will also receive 1 arcade point, which it turn will be used to redeem goodies when the price counter open. What does it means by that? Basically ये आप जब भी स्किल सेट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं तो आपको एक आर्केड पॉइंट मिलता है, एंड दैट आर्केड पॉइंट इज जस्ट लाइक वन करेंसी which you can use to redeem goodies from the Google itself. Okay, it's very simple. So how to register for this? First of all, you have to choose, suppose we choose the adventure, or we choose this base camp May 2026. So it is started, it is ongoing till 31st, like that is mentioned by company itself. And one thing, like sign in to join the game. First of all, you have to sign in on this platform. After sign in, they will ask and enter an access code. So how to access the code? Particularly we have to check for which we registered. Suppose we registered for base camp, so we have to use this access code, and after putting the access code, this type of page will be open, and we have to simply register here, and after that we can start module. Means simply we have to complete the skills based lab, 4 labs and 3 lab. After that we have to complete this, and after that we will earn a badge from the Google itself. Means badge as well and 1 arcade point as well. And now first of all thing, subscription to Google Skill Arcade is necessary to receive important email updates about perks. Means you have to subscribe to this, it is free. Suppose we have to use our email ID here, so we use like this, and after that next option, now they mention some check the rules to ensure, so you have to select yes and just submit. It is very important, so you will get to know about all the updates on your email ID. They clearly mention subscribe to our active arcade, like arcade emails. This is the arcade emails currently. Okay, next is related to join Google Skills. Okay, play games to learn skill, earn badges and get arcade point. Earn in skill badges to help you complete game task and get more arcade point. Redeem points at the price counter. It is very simple. And one thing, you can also join here for the latest learning that is mentioned by the discussgoogle.dev. Have where they mention about everything, the questions and updates related to this. Okay, after complete 2 skill badge, you are eligible to earn 1 arcade point. For every skills 6 skills badges, you will get 3 arcade point. Okay, I have earned only 1 skill badge. How many points will I get? Unfortunately, earning 1 skill badge will not enough to claim an arcade point. You have to complete 2 skill badges to earn 1 point. Skill badges are like when you complete this, when you particularly complete this lab, so you will receive skill badges. On the basis of 2 skill badges, you will get 1 arcade point, and 1 arcade point will be changed for the particular goodies. Okay, one thing, are there prizes? The more badges you earn, the more arcade point you accumulate. redeem point for the price at the price counter. The price counter will be open at the end of year. Okay, they clearly mention. How do I know many arcade points I have? Compare the list of Google arcade games to your Google skills profile. Okay, and some of the things are mentioned, so it's not so much difficult. You can just understand one thing. They are given complete all work meet play badges from January 26 to June 26 to earn 7 arcade point. This is Google skills arcade, and this is related to arcade point 1, and it is showing 1 arcade point, 1 arcade point, 1 arcade point. So this is very very good expressive efficiency. If you complete, you will able to redeem or able to receive the 7 arcade point. It's a great opportunity. It's very very simple. Just follow the step, choose any of the skill set, just register for opportunity. Okay, and the subscription is very very important. It's related to, so you will receive important email updates and perks. I hope you find this video well. Thanks for watching the video.